Women Bishnupur police station has filed an FIR against some unknown miscreants in Churachandpur over the complaint of a Meitei rape survivor. The ill-fated and inhuman incident occurred on 3rd May 2023 when armed Kuki militants and a huge Kuki mob began arsoning Meitei Lekai in Churachandpur. The woman was running away to escape the mob. However, unfortunately, she was caught and ravished by a gang of Kuki youths. The victim reported the inhuman incident to Women Police Station Bishnupur. Therein, the police station filed a zero FIR and conducted a medical test. Women Police Station Bishnupur has sent the case to Churachandpur for further investigations. Another girl is unmarried and about 28 years old. Her case is already submitted in the list of gang rape in the Supreme Court. However, it was not published in media. Adding this case, the total gang rape cases has reached 2 in the state of Manipur by Kukis.